Hey guys, I'm so sorry my camera cut off in my last video. But let me just get back to the slime that I was showing you. Okay, so this is the one I was showing. And that was another store-bought one. This is another store-bought one. Which is a light purple, which I really like. It's really pretty. Another Flarp. If I could get it out, I'll show you. This one's like a really sticky Flarp. It's the same color and the same as the other one, so I'm probably sure I'm not going to take it out. This is another store-bought. It's a really glow-in-the-dark putty, which if I can get it out, this is it. It's really hard. I can't poke it, like, yeah, I can't poke it. And this is another store-bought one. It's another light purplish gray. And these two are homemade ones. This one is a really squishy, fluffy slime. Sorry if I'm not in the middle of the screen. Here you go. There. That's a homemade one. I've just figured out today that homemade slimes are better than actual ones that you buy at the store. Because the ones you buy at the store are really cheap. This is another homemade. Sorry, most of my homemades are blue. Because because that's the only paint I had back when I just started making slime. But now I'm like a slime collector, like a really big slime collector. And yeah.